Jamaican farmers.
Hot.
Jamaican farmers. Hey.
Ready, we ready, and a gone, we gone. We are plant pumpkin and we are plant some corn.
Yes, my people, welcome back to my channel. And please remember to like, share, and to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to see the next video coming out.
Yeah, my viewers and subscribers. Back inside the greenhouse, it's all about cucumber. As you can see. Yeah, looking lovely. You know what I mean? Yeah, man, cucumber. How long them plant?
About 2 weeks now.
Yeah, about 2 weeks ago. My viewers. Yeah. Under them drip was looking nice, you know? Yeah, man. And I have some tomato to show you guys later on in the video. Alright? So stick and stay. See what's coming next. But trust me, it's all about cucumber. Yeah? Trying out some cucumber here. For real. Alright, my viewers. This plant here, it named Nene Bush. Yeah, good for eyesight. If you have eyesight problem, yeah, notice the blossom and the leaves. It have a nice smell. It smells sweet. Nene Bush. Good for if you have your eyesight. Pick it, make it quail. Use it, boil the tea morning time and you're good. Yeah, man. For real. So it's going on. When I come to Jamaican farmers, it's all about teachment. Alright? Yeah, my viewers. It's all about cucumber. Yeah, man. I'm getting them water and thing. Them nice, you know? Yeah, so soon as them start to run up, yeah, chalice them up in the ear. It is time for bearing. Yeah, man. Looking nice and lovely. And this one here. Yeah. Time for barn leaf to change off and thing. Started to run. Alright, my viewers, look at this tomato plant here. Yeah. The DRD tomato. Yeah, man. This is one plant, you know. Check how much is on this plant. This one plant here. That is 4 down there. That is 4 up here. That is 8. 2, 10. And 4 more. That is 14. 4 more again. That is 8. Hey, can't count. A whole heap upon it, my viewers. One plant. Give so many. One outer row here. This little guy here, outer row. Yeah. This little plant out of the row. Drop out of the row, but you know, can still grow. Yes, my viewers. Tomato. Tomato. Yeah, tomato. Yes, I. Yes, I. Yeah. Cucumber looking nice. Look at the branch, the chunk of the cucumber. Yeah, very stout. You know what I mean? Look at these 3 here. Yeah. Whoa. Bossy, don't it? Yeah, man. Very much bossy. Because the man have them own drip hose, you know, so them get them own water. Yeah, this is one more. This is one more tomato plant again. Look what's going on. Magnificent. So much tomato. Yeah? So much tomato on one plant. My God. Yeah. Yeah, my viewers. Look here. Look here. Magnificent. Magnificent, don't it? Yeah? Yeah? Magnificent. You have one plant like this at home. You're alright. Yeah. Anytime you're going to cook, you know, you just come and pick a ripe one. Alright? Yeah, my viewers. Yeah, my viewers. Yeah, my viewers. Look at that. Yeah? There's a lot of bearing. Look here. This is one plant. Look here. Oh my God. Looking good, my viewers. Yeah, man. Jamaican farmers out. Don't forget to like, share, and to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to see the next video coming out. Alright. Look on this plant here. One plant. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. It's all about 24 on it. One plant. Alright. Yeah, my viewers. Yes, my viewers. Yeah. Look on this one here. Oh, magnificent. This is what I mean when I say plant something, man. Plant something, aya. Yeah, plant something, man. I talk about plant something, aya. This is one plant here. Yeah. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that, my viewers. Look at that, my viewers. Look at that, my viewers. Beautiful. 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 Yeah. Alright, as you can see, cucumber getting his water. Alright. Yeah. So every evening, every morning, them get this kind of treatment. You know what I mean? Yeah, man. That's why them so bossy, you know. Yeah, you know when time we as man go at the bar, go sit down and we can drink 2 beer, we're bossy. Well, them a drink up them beer, you know. Yeah, man. Alright, Campbell a drop in back the seed them we loose out, you know, we no catch. Yeah. Real, man. Dropping back some seed when I catch, you know? Yeah. Alright, my viewers, let me show you the ripe one them now. I'm going to show you the ripe tomatoes. Here you go. This tree. Ripe up. Alright? Show you you guys this tree already. This plant already. My God, right to the ceiling. Yeah? Ripe up. Ripe up, my viewers. Yeah? Yeah? This is what I'm talking about, man. Plant something, man. What you talking about? Plant something, man. Right to the ground. Yeah? Alright. Going right underneath the tree here. Show you some underneath here. Look here, man. Look at that. Oh, beautiful, don't it? Alright. That me I talk about, brother. Plant something, man. Right down the line is tomato. Yeah. Ripen up very nice. Yeah? Tomato. Tomato. All the way. Tomato. 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 Yeah? Yes, my viewers. Yeah, man. It's all about Jamaican farmers, alright? If you like the video, press the like button for me now, please, and thanks. Yeah, man. It helped the video with the algorithm go up the stream of YouTube. You know what I mean? So, yeah. Press the like button for me now, please, and thanks. My viewers and subscribers. Alright? Yeah, man. It's all about the DRD tomato. Yeah. Yes, I. Yes, I. Yes, I. Whoa. How them look, my viewers? How them look? Drop it in the comment box. Tell me how them look. Beautiful. Yeah, man. That's what I'm talking about. On this side is the same thing. Even on the ground. Yeah? Even on the ground. Yes, I. Yes, I. So you don't know, in a few weeks' time, give you back a next view on the cucumbers. Yeah? Show you what's going on with them, you know? Yes, I. For real, man. For real, man. These tomatoes don't get any fertilizer. And you notice how them look? If them did I get fertilizer, my God. And as you can see, the tree don't prune. Yeah, the tree don't prune, as you can see. There's no space. So if them did prune, there would be more on it. It would bear more. Alright, my viewers. Yeah, man, Jamaican farmers out here. Yeah. Yes, I. When a plant, you can't hungry. Yeah? When a plant, my viewers, you can't hungry. Yeah? Yeah, man, DDR tomato looking good, my viewers. Give you back a little view on the cucumbers. As you can see, water is dripping from all angles. Yeah? Water is dripping, water is dripping, water is dripping. Yeah? Yes, I. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Cucumbers. Lately plant, alright? Yeah. Yes, my viewers. Right. So stick and stay on the channel, you will see what's coming next. Let me show you this tomato here. About to start it to ripe. Yeah? You have a plant like this at home, you don't have to worry. You don't have to go to the market to buy tomato. Don't it? Yeah. You just wait until one start to turn and pick it, put it into the kitchen for it to ripe more. Yeah? Very easy. My viewers and my subscribers. Very easy. Plant something, man. Yeah. You just need a little soil. Plant something in. Yeah? Yeah? Whoa. Beautiful. 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 Yes, my viewers and subscriber. Right, that's the thing there, alright? So yes. Couple weeks time I will come back here and give you a next update on it, alright? Yeah, man, more blessings. Don't forget to like, share, and to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to see the next video coming out soon. Soon.